Hi, guys, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to steam fish with Sichuan vegetable. Hope you will like it. This steamed fish dish can be prepared quickly and is perfect for when you're busy. Let's steam fish together. Sichuan vegetable steamed fish. Ingredients: fish fillet, Sichuan vegetable, ginger, spring onion 1. Wash Sichuan vegetable and shredded. Only a small piece of Sichuan vegetable is needed and the rest can be used to make soup. If you are afraid it will be too salty, you can soak the Sichuan vegetable in water for a while before cutting it into shreds. Sliced ginger. Cut onion white into section. Diced onion green. Place onion white and ginger slices on steam plate. Place fish on top. Drizzle 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine. Place Sichuan vegetable and ginger slices on top. Steam for 15 minutes. Fish is cooked. Drizzle sesame oil. Garnish with spring onion. Let's eat. Fish meat mixed with shredded Sichuan vegetable tastes delicious. Give it a try too. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.